No apologies. Counterpoint.
You heard a rant last night about the city of Lexington spending about $300,000 to buy recycling bins. But somebody did not do his homework. Here's the real story. The LFUCG recycling plan saves taxpayer dollars in two ways. It helps us keep waste out of the landfill, thereby saving tax dollars, and it produces revenue for the city. Recycling is expected to produce $1.3 million in fiscal year 10 and about $2 million in fiscal year 11. That's not exactly chump change. And because of this revenue, the citizens got a tax cut. That's right, a tax cut. 10% of their garbage bill. And the garbage tax is a dedicated part of the property tax and can only be used to pick up garbage, not to go into the general fund to pay for public safety or anything else. So if you plan on raising public cane on an issue, you should at least do your homework. The viewers deserve that. I'm Kathy Stein with no apologies for my counterpoint.
The views and comments expressed by the commentators do not necessarily reflect the views of staff and management at ABC 36. We want to know what you think. Call or email 36 Listens. Watch ABC 36 News at 11 for local reaction to tonight's No Apologies Counterpoint.